At Faraday, we believe in the long-term demand of copper being supported by the electrification of society, and we see a limited ability for the market to meet that demand. There's limited projects coming online over the next decade, and when you take a long-term view towards the copper market, we believe that Faraday has the potential to meet that demand with our flagship asset of Copper Creek.
The Copper Creek project is located on two trends. These two copper porphyry trends host over 100 million tons of copper resource. The Copper Creek project within that is right on the center of those two trends and has access to the mineral prospecting claims as well as private land packages that allow for the exploration and technical studies to be conducted on this project.
So Copper Creek has a long history of mining and exploration going back to the early 1900s. However, the project has been dormant for the last 10 years, and there lies the opportunity that we saw to unlock value by, recommencing work on the project.
What I see there and what the team sees at Copper Creek is a multi-billion pound copper production profile which has the potential to be over a 30-year life of mine. And this is North American production of strategic metals.
Arizona is consistently the leading state in copper production, and through that, from historical and current mining operations, has a proven track record of being politically and socially acceptable. We've got clear government and regulatory agency processes, permitting checklists, along with suitable timeline review processes. Basically what we have is San Manuel. It's about 20 kilometers from this project site, and behind me is Mammoth, which is about 15 kilometers from this project site. So both San Manuel and Mammoth are within this mining jurisdiction, which provides our social acceptance. They are purpose-built mining towns, but it provides the infrastructure, roadways, rail, power, water, as well as a skilled workforce that is used to the mining industry. For the past, call it over a century, the Copper Creek project has been extensively explored. In 2022, we're actually continuing this legacy of mining within this area. We've started an initial drill campaign with 5,000 meters of diamond drill core, and we're looking to extend this resource, realize that full side potential, and carry on what the old-timers believed was below the surface within this area. What we have throughout this entire footprint is a total of 400 breccia bodies. So there is a lot of potential to unlock within this existing footprint. There's been over 550 drill holes on this project, which accounts for over 200,000 meters of diamond drill core. What we have available right now that we know in this footprint is 95% of that core. We have the information from that, the historical data. We're currently in the process as well of re-logging and sampling previously unlogged core, as well as reassessing and analyzing the samples that were logged in the past. And we'll use those to update our models and eventually provide an updated mineral resource estimate. What we'll do is angled drill holes, hitting the shallower mineralization going down into the deeper porphyries. We'll look at an open pit expansion first. That will provide that upfront cash flow to fund underground operations, and as well as a scalable mill expansion. So this is some of the early stage work that we're working on now to realize that gain in the future and to bring this operation into production.